We're now going to look at Financial Maths Simple Interest. Simple interest is a reward for keeping your money in a bank account, and it is paid by the bank. It is also calculated on the amount of money in the account at the start of the first year. It is added to the account every year. So if we take a look at the example, John invests £500 in an account which pays 1.5% simple interest per annum. That's just Latin for per year. Calculate the amount of money in John's account after 3 years, assuming he makes no withdrawals. So what we're going to have to do is start with year 1. So this is the first year. And John comes along to the bank and he puts £500 in the bank. So what we start with originally as a percentage is 100%. We've talked about that before. So the £500 he puts in the bank is worth 100%. Now, over the course of year 1, the bank are going to reward him by paying him 1.5% simple interest. So what that means is they're going to increase the amount of money he has in the bank by 1.5%. So if he starts the year with 100%, he's going to finish the year with 101.5% because they've increased his account by 1.5%. So we're going to work out how much money he has in his account at the end of year 1, and then that will allow us to work out what the simple interest is. So to get from 100% to 101.5%, we're going to get 1% first by dividing both sides by 100. So 1% is just worth £5. And then we're going to multiply both sides by 101.5%. So at the end of year 1, John is going to finish with £507.50. So that's what he has in his account at the end of year 1. Now, we can therefore work out the interest that was added in year 1. So the interest added in year 1 will be the difference between what he started the year with and what he finished it with. So he started with 500, he finished with £507.50. So the interest that was added was £7.50. So interest added is going to be £7.50. Now that we know how much interest he gets in year 1, because it's simple interest, he's going to get the same amount of interest in year 2 and the same amount of interest in year 3. So to get what he has at the end of year 3 in his account, after 3 years, we're going to take what he started with, £500, and we're going to add on 3 interests of £7.50 because he gets £7.50 in year 1, £7.50 in year 2, and £7.50 in year 3. So we're going to add on 3 times £7.50. So go back to our calculator, 3 times £7.50, and then we're adding on 500, and that's going to leave him with £522 £1.50. So that's how simple interest works. The interest is based on the amount of money at the beginning of year one only. So it's calculated on the initial figure at the beginning of year one, and then the same amount is added each year.